tu bouges pas, hein,
Il a déjà fallu.
early tower caution, wing turbulence, heavy jets departing the parallel runway. Wind 220 at 12, runway 25 left, cleared to land. At 89, cross runway 25 right, turn right on Bravo, contact ground point 75, thanks for your patience.
Cross 25 right on Bravo, at 89.
Southern Air 513, heavy contact, SoCal departure.